This couple from the U.S. just experienced how strong Filipino drinks are and learned firsthand about the legendary Tagay culture.
Watch that one, watch that one.
Kailangan siya muna. Testing.
Ikaw muna.
Mabubuhay naman ako dito, no?
Oo.
Dami ng juice.
Bulag ka lang naman.
Cheers! Ano?
Bulag,
No.
Tagay.
Tagay. Tagay. That's how you say it.
Mabubuhay ka dyan kasi ano eh.
Angel na to.
80% alcohol plus vitamin C.
Oh! Yan! May vitamin C.
That's the only way to get your vitamins for the day.
Vlogger na yan.
100% vitamin C.
Tatry ni Taylor kung paano yung sinasabing tagay.
Shembot.
So, ano na?
Cheers.
Shembot.
Shembot. Oh my God. Shembot, it means gin at saka dalandan. Cheers. Mamaya, bulag na to.